Hi there, Chris here. I have a challenge lock in hand, and it is from Bearsback. It is 200 sub challenge lock. So I won his 200 sub giveaway or appreciation video, won the draw, and this is the lock. And it is one heck of a great challenge lock. Here's the key. It's on a Schleg. Works beautifully. And I'm gonna see if I can pick into it. I've picked it off camera. And thought, okay, I'm gonna turn the camera on. Turn the camera on? No. Turn the camera off? Yes. Turn the camera on? No. So I've set it aside for a while, and I've just recently started playing with it again. So we'll see. Wait a minute. I think some people don't like this, but I'm going to put the old snaky rake to it for a little bit. See if I can get some of it cleared out of the way. It's a great lock. I don't think I've got much. Anyway, Mr. Bearsback makes some really cool locks, I have to say. And he is a very cool individual. If you have not checked him out, you're living under a rock, but you need to go over to his channel and check him out. He's always got good stuff, good challenge locks. He's picking interesting videos about other locks. He's a real interchangeable core type guy, like best cores. Knows all about those. Has done some great videos on how to make control keys and operating keys on those locks. Very cool guy. I'm gonna try and keep this in frame. I forgot something. Didn't mean to have the music going. Had to yank Alexa's cord there. Now we're slinky going through the frame. All kinds of stuff going on here, and I think I'm getting distracted, but I'll be watching somebody else's video and pick this lock. You know, not really paying full attention. So maybe that's a good thing. Wow. And we have the open. I want to say, what an awesome lock. Okay, beautiful. Let's get this thing gutted. I'm going to lock it back up. Get the little guy here. Whoops. Sorry about going out of frame. Now I'm going to do the shakes like we do. Come on. All right. So we got that. Wow. Cool. That means I can send it off. And I know who just who I'm going to send it to as well. since I have a package going out tomorrow, if I just had a shim here. Slinky, did you take my shim? Or am I just being blind? Here's one. Okay. Ooh, that is tight. Okay. Don't screw it up. Okay, it is a 6-pinner. Boy, everything really had to be picked. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Oh, yeah, I got the shakes. The good shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That went better than you could possibly expect. Okay, inside. Oh, where's my thing? Where's my little light? It looks like, yeah. See that undercutting in 654? Maybe all of them. Let me feel. Smudge. Oh, boy, was that an optical illusion? I am feeling no undercutting. Okay, that was very weird. And put this guy in the little holder. Whew. AJ got a tough one today, and you can tell when we get a tough one how excited we get. And it is exciting, especially if it's one you worked on. And okay, number 1. Jeez, look at this pin. Kind of a T-pin with about 1 billion serrations on it. Number 2 is this pin with, God, the serrations are just awesome. I'll get the springs afterwards. Number 3. Don't turn on me. There you go. Wow. And we'll get a close-up of all those as well. Come on, hands, work with me. Whoa, this guy is long. Full of serrations. It was 4. I'm gonna go in the back. Whoa. Here's 5 here. Yeah, some crunching going on, boy. Beautiful serrations. Sorry, that went this way. Interesting, look at this. The spring is mating with this this guy. And I don't know if he planned it that way, but that is very cool. All right, so let me get the springs out. I'm going to do those one at a time because they might be different. Okay, that's 6, 5. 4. Come on. 3. 2. And 1. All right, I'm gonna bring this up. Pardon me. Okay. Standard driver, keep in 1, serrated in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, serrated 3 serrations in 5, standard in 6. This cool T-pin serrated guy. Here's another cool serrated guy. Driver 2, driver 3, serrated, 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 driver 4, serrated, driver 5, serrated with a reduced top. I'm wondering if that messed with it, with the spring being caught there. Anyway, and 6 is all serrations as well. What a cool lock. All right, so that was Bearsback, 200 subs. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like. We will see you next time.